Okay, so I'm Kerri Hummingbird, a medicine woman and a mentor and best-selling author of The Second Wave, which Jennifer contributed a section to. That was about the photon beams of light that she keeps talking about. She explains it in there quite fully. Let's see, so for me being here, I've known Jennifer for a while, just as a colleague, as a friend. And I finally made it out to one of her full events, and this was the one, Embodiment. Wow. Just really an opportunity and a space for me. For anybody else who feels this way, it's like I've done a lot of work on myself. I'm really well versed in my own transformational work, and I worked with lots of mentors. And so for me, from coming from that space, it was just really nice to have somebody that could hold that big a space for me so I could really push through some stuff. And also who can see into my holographic field to kind of double check what I think is true about myself. And that was awesome. And then beyond that, just really getting an opportunity to connect deeper with tools some of the tools I've learned, but I haven't used them or practiced them. And I haven't practiced them in the way that she's teaching them. So it was like, oh, cool, this tool can be used like that. Oh, I see. That's really cool. So just really being able to expand what I know about what I already know and add some depth and some new dimensions to it. And then, of course, to be in community of people that are like me, that are here for the big change and doing our best to heal it from the inside out. And the new, this sort of catalyzation that I think Jennifer brings in that regard is beyond the healing conversation into the, okay, so what now? Like, yeah, we're all healing. What now? What do you actually want? So that feels really good to me. I'm really excited. I personally feel like I've shifted through layers and layers of stuff. And I feel much more clean. I'm really excited about today. Today's the last day. So like, okay, what's the cherry on top? And yeah, definitely plan to come to more of these. The embodiment workshops are awesome. I recommend it.